why Dragons Dogma 2 might appear blurry, and it techniques. Here's how to tackle the blurriness. In-game settings. Disable motion blur. Motion blur can create a softening effect during movement. Check the graphics settings in Dragons Dogma 2 and look for an option titled Motion Blur or something similar. Turn it off to see if the sharpness improves. Adjust depth of field. Depth of field simulates a camera effect where objects in the foreground or background appear blurred. While subtle depth of field can enhance visuals, a strong effect can look blurry. Try lowering the depth of field setting if available. Sharpening filters, PC only. If you're playing on PC, some graphics cards offer sharpening filters through their control panels, e.g., NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD Radeon settings. These filters can add a slight crispness to the image. Upscaling techniques. Adjust FSR or DLSS, PC only. If you're using upscaling technologies like Fidelity FX Super Resolution, FSR, or Deep Learning Super Sampling, DLSS, to boost performance, they can introduce some blurriness. Try adjusting the sharpening settings within the game or the graphics card control panel to compensate. In some cases, using a higher rendering resolution, e.g., switching from performance mode to quality mode, might be necessary for a sharper image, but it may affect performance.